It's day 44 on site and things are moving again after the long holiday weekend. Now Friday was a really big day around here with all the high school graduations, including my son. So the framing crew and I both were running around trying to work and get graduation stuff all locked down. Now they chose to make it up by working Saturday, and now we're back at it today after Memorial Day. So the first thing I noticed when I pulled up on site this morning was that my roofing contractor already dried the house in. I love it when I get good surprises like that. So I'll go ahead and schedule the dry-in inspection for tomorrow. My cleanup contractor was here first thing too and got as much of the scrap into the dumpster as he could. So Waste Pro is scheduled to swap the can tomorrow, and we're good to make for clearing space for the next round. So our portable toilet crew was also here today, and they cleaned the toilet up, and those are one of those small but important tasks that really keep the job moving smoothly, if you know what I mean. So on the framing side, I spoke with my framer about adjusting the false wall in the garage. We decided to shift the layout a bit so we could keep our jam standard and avoid any extra unnecessary bump out. I also talked to my structural framer, and he should be wrapped up tomorrow. So that puts us on track to schedule our uplift inspection for Thursday. Also, when I pulled on the site today, the new window company field supervisor is here, and I walked the site with him for a little bit and found a few things. We'll need to raise the sill because their office gave us the wrong dimension. I got to tighten up framing for the front entry transom window and also make a small tweak to the second story window opening. So the framing contractor's owner is also scheduled to be on site tomorrow to frame in the corner slider. He'll also knock out those window adjustments that I just spoke about. So. Also, when I was up walking the second floor, we also found an engineering issue. The bottom plate on the second floor is inset on the block, which means I'll need to pack out that whole exterior wall in the stairwell area. Not really ideal, but it's manageable, and we'll handle it before it causes any real problems. So the interior crew is making really good progress. Most of the first floor is already framed, and they're laying out the second story now. So they think they'll finish the job today. And once the structural framer is done and the corner slider is framed tomorrow, I'll walk this job and build our framing punch list. We're keeping things rolling. Stick around, there's more coming from the ground up.